Hey guys, Nick here, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about AND operator in Excel. Let's have a look at our table and problem definition. Here we have table with the following columns: date, first name, last name, product, quantity, price, and full name. As you can see here we have yellow cells, meaning that here we should put our formulas. Write down the formula in highlighted cells to combine the first and the last names of the salesperson with one space in between as shown in example. Use the AND operator. So in those cells we should write formulas in order to get combined first name and last name. And we need to use in a formula AND operator. So before starting to solve this problem, let's see what does AND operator do. So if we use, for example, I'm going to stand on an empty cell, for example, here, and write equals, and I'm going to write this 519 plus 846. When I press enter, Excel will do mathematical operation. It will add 519 to 846. This is the addition, yeah? So AND operator is similar to the plus sign, but it does not add one number to another number. It just combines those two information as a text. So equals 519, and instead of plus sign, now here I'm gonna put AND symbol. Just put AND symbol and then 846, the same two numbers, yeah? Let's press enter. And well, here as you can see, we have 519 and then 846, yeah? And as you can see, Excel wrote this number on the left side, meaning that Excel considers this value as a text value. AND operator is text operator. So as a result of AND operation, we're getting text value, yeah? So now let's continue with our problem. I'm going to delete those two cells. We don't need this anymore. So let's start writing formula in cell G3 equals. Of course, we should start formula using equal sign. And here we need first name, AND operator, and the last name, yeah? So when we press enter, as you can see, here we will have Anthony Doolittle. However, here we are having a small issue. We do not have space symbol between first name and last name. So we need to add another space symbol, which is not written anywhere in our, neither in first name nor in last name. Yeah, so we do not have space symbol in our cells. So in order to add space symbol, let's write the formula a little bit differently. So let's stand on the same cell and rewrite the formula. Equals first name. So after first name should come the space symbol, yeah? So I'm gonna use AND symbol, and in order to add a space symbol, I'm gonna write the space. However, we need to make sure that when writing space or any other text symbols in a formula, and it does not matter if it's an AND operator or any other formula, we need to put the text symbols in double quote marks. This is a rule. It has several exceptions, but it's correct for 99% of the cases. So we need to use double quote marks when writing textual symbols in a formula, always. It's not correct for number values. We don't need to use quote marks for number values, but for textual values, always use double quote marks. And space symbol is also a text symbol. That's why we need to use here open double quote mark, space, close double quote mark. Yeah. After that, we can also write another AND symbol and then put the last name, cell reference C3. Yeah. Well, let's press enter, and now here we will have Anthony space Doolittle. We can fill down our formula, and as a result, we will have first and last names with the space in between. Well, basically that's it for this tutorial. Thanks guys for watching. If you liked solving this problem and want to have some more, check out my Udemy course with 500 Excel problems. It covers up to 100 functions, various Excel tools, building dashboards, and VBA coding. Link is in description.